Okay, good morning. Welcome to the AM session. I'll be trading the AM session as I am working night shift. Just quickly go through other things and try to be scanning certain documents in my office. I have to be I have to send working night shift and it should be also. I am audible. I wanted to quickly do something, just readjust this. Quickly readjust this. Hold on. Okay. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's see what was there today. In terms of before I just go to this trading floor, I've taken two losses. The rollover of Euro JPY and GU, and overnight there was early in the morning. See something. Early in the morning there was news coming from the Australia. Okay. Anyway, let's try to do this. Next time I'll just lower everything to be on sea level so they can see me properly. But let's do this, guys. Sorry about that. Just gonna just get into it. I've taken two losses. Remember, I was holding Euro JPY. It has rolled over, and anyway, I did trace my stop loss too early. So my stop loss, instead of putting it here, I rolled it over to this low here, thinking it's not gonna come back, but came back. It has taken me out. So I'm out of this. I am gonna maybe look for a re-entry. I will see. I feel bad because I feel like I've been having very bad trade management lately. Also GU just taken me out, and then we are still just taking me out here. But perhaps I am gonna get a re-entry again because still GU is still a bit bull. So for GU, I'm not gonna re-enter because it's giving me a bullish reading now. And interestingly, Euro JPY is still holding, does not taken that. There is an SMT there. There is a possibility of this to still continue lower. Unfortunately, I am out. I am gonna look for an entry, but anyway, the interesting one and the interesting trade. Oh shucks, I need to buy this now. Okay, I'm gonna buy your USD JPY. Look, I was from the cheap, so I was sleeping. I didn't even see this. Remember, I was speaking about I want to see a roll over lower, and it has already happened. So I think I would rather buy USD JPY in this instance. GJ, let's see GJ, did GJ roll over enough? And also, I think I'm more comfortable also to have a limit there to get a pushback to the upside. So this, I think those are the trade that I'm looking for now. Um, what else? Yeah. So these are the trade that I'm looking for now. But let's see what happened overnight. Um, what was interesting for me, this number's far. Okay, anyway, I will get through that. The was major use, I think 1 a.m. on the Australian dollar. Let's get into it. Okay, let me readjust that so that you can see the numbers. Should I just say it? Anyway. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So today, there was wage price index in Australia, and it came out. It just beat expectation. That is why we saw Euro JPY lost a lot of strength, came back for a retest. Perhaps I will look for a trade. I will decide what happens in that instance. But yeah, we had something like that for which I'm not happy, taking two losses. Another trade management. Also today, there's unemployment rate, employment change. So it is interesting times in the sorry, it is interesting times in the Australian dollar. Something that it should be looked at. But anyway, other than that, there's nothing much. The only thing is I am looking to buying GJ as it coming lower and also entering USD JPY. I think that's how I'll play it now. Buy USD JPY to look for pushback to the upside, and also looking at looking at looking at also Nasdaq. I have Nasdaq position with Citrix 100. I have Nasdaq positioning with Citrix 100. This is a Nasdaq positioning that I'm supposed to be holding. But I've taken profits there, which was very early. But if we're to look at the ETF, so I decided to buy ETFs on Nasdaq. Decided to buy ETF Citrix 100. I have decided to buy Citrix 100, which is still good moves to the upside. I'm still holding good profits on Citrix 100, but I've taken two losses in terms of Forex broker, which is GU and EuroJPY. Bad trade management. I'm not gonna even deny that. And then let's look at Bitcoin. Anyway, I've been speaking about things you don't see. Okay, let's start from Bitcoin. Um, so Bitcoin, I am looking to see if Bitcoin will come back lower here and to push to the upside. That's what I'm waiting for. I was speaking about Citrix 100 as a as an ETF or as a trade that I have for Nasdaq, using the Clarity Now by Investec. So this is a trade that I'm holding. Good move to the upside. For today, Citrix up 0.3%. And if we're to look at Nasdaq on its own, Nasdaq it's up 0.4%. So there is a good correlation between the two, and basically that's what I'm looking for. And then what happened here? Let's see. Okay, let's move ahead. Um, okay. Anyway, I spoke about Citrix 100. Here's Citrix 100. I don't know if I've already spoken about it, but here it is. I had a terrible trade management this week, and I hate the fact. So this is Citrix 100. Good move. I've already spoken about that. And let's see how gold is holding through this mad news here. Let's see gold. So gold, we have started to break below this resistant area, this low here, um, for which it will be expected, eh? The dollar gains strength. Look at that. We might roll over there and push back. I am gonna maybe, if fundamentally it makes sense, I'll start looking for entries there, or it might even push back to the upside. So for gold, I am neutral for now. My day trading, it's supposed to be starting. So yeah, but on the flip side, I have Capitec Bank, and remember today it was ex-dividend date. Today it was ex-dividend date for Capitec. Unfortunately, I wanted to add more position, but hey, when you work night shift, it's tough. Uh, so I'm positioned on Capitec. Finally, I told you that there might be good moves coming in on Capitec. Look at that. We open lower, we push to the upside, we might even close above. And once we close above, I hope we're still gonna get that move back to the upside. That's good. Today's ex-dividend date. So on the 19th, they are paying dividends. So I bought just before dividends date. So I could receive dividend by then while holding a good move on the trade. I think those are the two positions that I have. In terms of stock, I didn't buy anything more, but there is others that I was looking for. Unfortunately, I decided not to buy them. I don't know why. But no, let's go into the day trading show. I need some water, so I'll see you now. Oh, come on, this thing was not. I might be bullish. I might be bullish for the PM. I might be bearish coming back here to retrace back to the upside. So if now we get a good move lower, close there, perhaps in the PM session, and we start to look for buys within that fair value gap, support or breaker. I don't know. It doesn't matter how you call it, and look for a pushback to the upside. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, I think I'm bearish. Sometimes you don't have to complicate things. I think I am bearish. Higher time frame SMT. Yeah, I am bearish. I win. I am bearish. So we see there is a higher time frame SMT here. Higher time frame SMT, I'm looking for pushback to the lower side. And as my target, this 4 hour fair value gap there as my interesting area. And look, you could even take the move to this low here. So, but I know there is a higher time frame SMT, which is a very important thing for me right now. So look, also, yeah, we have taken London's high. We have taken London's high. My target could be the London low now. Just quickly. Yeah. Okay. Now it makes sense. We've taken London high. London high. I might be looking to come back to the London's low as where my point of where I might take profit. So this is a London low. We've taken London high. We've taken yesterday's high. So look, it is a good um it might be setting up for a good, what do you call this English right now? An A plus setup. So we have taken that. We might be coming back for this London's low there, for which it's setting up quite well. Um, but also after taking out that London's high, let me see something. Yeah, clear SMT here. Let's see if we're gonna get the move lower. If we're to look at this, there is a 15-minute fair value gap here. So the market opened higher, came back lower, and it's dollar darling. I call it dollar darling. So it is dollar darling in the range. Taking that. So I just want to see what happens here. Interesting. Let me mark this black. Just don't want a lot of colors here. So when you look at it, it seems like the 15-minute fair value gap is holding. However, there is this area here, 5 minutes bearish fair value gap here that is up above here. A very important area as well. But we have broken below there, so I think I'm setting up very well for bears. Did the bears leave me? Look at that. 3 minutes fair value gap. Let me see if the bears left me. Not yet. Okay. I think I'm setting up for a bearish move. Yeah, I'm setting up for a bearish move. There is this area here, the 50 minutes fair value gap. Very dangerous space to look for a trade. Let's see. Oh no. So what's interesting here is we could get something like this, break below, retest, and look to still continue to the London's low. Because of how it opened, it might be tricky. Because of how it opened, it might be tricky. But also, but also, a move like this, come back higher and back lower, it is still on the card. I'll be back now. Tell me what you think about this lighting. This 3-minute fair value gap was a good move, yeah. There's a beautiful 3-minute fair value gap, yeah. Let me just quickly make it, yeah. It has rejected nicely. This fair value gap, it is holding. Oh, the color's bad. Just quickly change the color. Yeah. Come on. Look, I only want to enter this trade, yeah, because there's not really given a break of structure low. We've just set this low and just it held that fair value gap, but it's not the trade that I want to take. And it looks like there is an SMT as well. So, so there is a lower time frame SMT here. See where the problem is? Hence, I wanted to see. Hence, I wanted to see a roll over something like this. Push lower, take out that low. We have like break of structure, come back inside, and then we can look for a continuation lower. But if it doesn't do that, I am not gonna take a trade. So if it breaks below there, let me see. What does it give me? Mm, 1:1. Then we come. Where's the daily low? The side. Okay. Just watch and see. What's gonna happen? I am just gonna wait for now. But look, also, I don't see anything wrong for it coming here, and then we push lower. It gives me a good RR if I enter a trade. But it is still bad. Wow. I'm gonna change the lighting to the lighting that I love. Sorry. We see a good rejection. So, guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll truly appreciate that. Just leave a comment. What do you think? What's your bias for this session? I love this, yeah. Look at S&P 500. Look at that 5 minutes fair value gap. So if you were to take a trade, a straightforward trade worth no question ask, here is this one, yeah. It is this one. Straightforward trade, come back to these lows. Push back, a push to this break, a 5 minutes break, a beautiful, 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 beautiful. Equal low, relatively equal lows, yeah, which is a draw of liquidity. Yeah, this is beautiful. But the thing is, there is, wherever it's reacting, there is a 5 minutes fair value gap as well. Perhaps that is why we can't get a move higher to come back there and then we retrace lower. But I am watching more Nasdaq and see the reaction. If we will get to the higher fair value gap there, because if it does, it is setting up properly for a trade lower. I am bearish. I think I'm convinced I'm bearish. Yeah. Taking that high. Yeah. I'm coming now. Oh, yes. So, Ebenezer, please subscribe as well, brother. If 15M gap inverted, I'm bearish. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's a very good one. There's 15 minutes for value gap, yeah. There's 15 minutes for value gap, yeah. I think that will do because now we rejected. It looks like it wants to push back to the upside. But already we have taken London's high. There is a high time frame SMT here. Let me just quickly do this. There is a high time frame SMT between Nasdaq and S&P 500. So a push lower, it's something that it's more clear for me. So if definitely if we get an invasion of this 15 minutes fair value gap, I am gonna definitely still be bearish. But for now, I am still bearish. We saw, okay, I'll just do this. The reason why there is still this 15 minutes fair value gap here inside, just didn't want to mark it because to look dirty. Inside here, there is still this 15 minutes fair value gap. We push, call this market structure shift. We are holding within the 15 minutes fair value gap. Look at what happened on open. We went higher, we went lower, we came back inside. That is why it looks a bit untidily. And also look at here, we have this breaker, we're still holding. Hence I said, for a better risk to reward, a move rejecting there, push lower, it is a clear one. But also, if we're to look at S&P 500, um, you could definitely take a trade something like this. Either you want to be tight or higher. There's breaker 5 minutes for value gap here. It is a straightforward trade as well. So that is why I am bearish for now already. And please do not forget to subscribe. Ebenezer Nefesi. So I'm just watching now. Yeah, just watching. Coming now. Yes. So Ebenezer, what's your bias, bro? You said, oh, if it invade, okay. So look, there is something like this here. So we got an invasion of this 1 minute for value gap, taking that high, we just ranging here. I was speaking about this invasion here. It is holding definitely. Oh, we've reacted that 5 minute fair value gap that I was looking for. Definitely, there is people that are like this, yeah, that are positioned like this, and I just don't like it. Hence, I'm not positioned in that sense. But so we're back at that 5 minute fair value gap. Good reaction at that 5 minute fair value gap. That's what I wanted to see. Let me remove this. This is what I wanted to see. Um, this is what I wanted to see. We have tapped into this 5 minutes fair value gap, and I just want to see it rolling over. So I think now it's properly setting up for what I want. Let me see S&P 500. Still, there is a clear SMT if you were to look at this lower time frame SMT here. So I am definitely bearish now. I am definitely bearish. I'm gonna remove this London high here because it's making the charts very untidely. So for now, I just want to see this. And then I'm going to target London's low because the London's low just not really taken out that out. But S&P 500 is the one that looks good. It's lagging. Ooh, just taken that. So there's no longer SMT there. It is coming for this 1 minute fair value gap here. Earlier on, I spoke about positioning something like this. It's a good trade if we were to take it like this, but not for me. Not for what I want. Not for me, honestly. Good trade, stop loss above, come back lower. It's a proper setup, to be fair, because we have market structure shift, came back for that reaction. So I will say it's a very good trade if you want to be positioned like that. But for me, I'll rather wait. I'll rather wait. So I'll play the waiting game now and do my scans. That will be like a beast of a trade. Look at that. That will be like a beast of a trade, hey? Look at that. That will be, oh, look at this. This will be a beast of a trade. I tell you. Okay. Okay. 5 minutes closure. See all the 5 minutes closed. Closed inside. We've taken that. Okay, good. This is what I wanted to see. Let's see that. We've taken that. Now we're closing back up. Let's see. So I am looking for a trade now. Apologies. If that closes, I am gonna look for a trade somewhere here. Just still mapping up this trade, yeah. Let's see. Okay. I know this trade might not come back, yeah. I win. I know this trade might not come back, yeah. But I think I am properly setting up for bears here. Yeah. Just add my limit on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, well. Oh, what the hell? Oh, come on, man. I might miss to take this trade. My meta trader is acting up. Just do this. Come on, man. Just fighting with my meta trader, yeah. I mean, this trade. See something. What the hell? Oh, shucks. It makes sense now. It makes sense. Ah, shucks. Okay. Okay. To be fair, I entered terribly wrong. Stop loss is just above there. Yeah, I'll hold position twice. And then yes. Sorry about that, guys. I'm catching flu and then let's see. Okay, good move. Okay. So because I was fighting with my meta trader, I got filled here. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. I'm catching flu. Okay, let me set up this. Okay, I'm set up in the trade. Sorry, guys. I was just a bit dear, my car. Okay, I'm looking for London's low anyway. Okay. Sorry, I was very dear, my car. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I will be busy with other things, guys. So, okay. I will also be busy. Oh, come on. Really now? So guys, what's your bias? Are you on a trade? What's happening? Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay. I gotta, I gotta. Good reaction there. I will make comments while doing this, guys. So, pardon me. Ooh, sorry. Yeah. Just want to say distributing lower, to be honest. So this is the area that I want to say distributing lower from. And there's not distributed yet. Let me see. So good move lower. Balama balani. So tell me, guys, what's your bias though? And I have to make a call. I'm looking at call tomorrow. So I am busy here, guys. So you have to pardon me. I'm busy scanning some documents as well. Okay. So I love the move, to be honest. I love the move lower. Good reaction. We're having a good reaction lower. I wish it can just trade and close below and start distributing lower, lower than the previous fair value gap. I think once we trade below that, I think we are set for shorts. Good move. Okay. Need to buy airtime. I need to quickly call someone. Okay, it seems like it's rejecting again. I don't like that. Seems like I'm catching flu, guy. Oh, I hate it. Hey man, what am I doing? This thing was properly set. And then, oh yeah. Okay, rejected back to my entry, bit of a drawdown again. I don't like that. Come on, man. Good move. I want to see that rejection and distributing lower. Okay. It is going higher, and that's not what I want to see. But anyway, while at it, for this week, blue, are you guys red or in the red or are you in the blues for this week? We're back now. Yeah, beautiful. No prayer, apology. We last time's already appointment, and I think, uh, oh yeah, and yeah, nami ngiya-understand mfowethu. So uthi ufuna sihlangane To be fair, this thing is dollar darling, to be honest with you. Going up and down, going up and down. Sorry if I'm not seeing your comment. I was just quickly on an important call, yeah. So this thing is just dollar darling. I don't like the hell that is busy dollar darling, yeah. So, but anyway, my question was, are you guys bully? I mean, for the week, it's a midweek. Today's Wednesday, yeah, midweek. Are you in the blues or in the red according to South Africans, or you going no risk, no rari in the how South Africans say it? Um, what's happening? Need to call somebody else now. Okay, this move doesn't want to happen. Yeah, this move doesn't want to happen. I guess I'll dollar down with it. Yeah. Anyway, I am gonna hold through it. Um. Oh shucks, what's this? Oh, okay. What the hell here? I just want to see it breaking below this and just distribute low. I don't know why it's holding this fair value gap here. It has a fair value gap here, which is a bit unfortunate now. This fair value gap, it is holding the market higher. So I'm just busy preparing documents for I'm just preparing my documents for some properties that I'm selling. So that is why I'm a bit busy here and I'm hungry. I am hungry. Oh, I need to make a call, sorry. Dr. Mashras. Uh-uh. Just want to quickly make a call. I don't think this trade will hold anymore. Okay, good reaction. This is what I want to see, but I want to see it folding lower. Yo, stupid boys. I'm just laughing because the boys that I'm coaching, they just posted something on our WhatsApp group. Boys are stupid. Boys are stupid, trust me. Okay. Come on, man. Can you stop dancing and just distribute, please? What are you doing now? You're dancing. Remember, I just want it to fold back like that. If it does that, trust me, I'm gonna move to break even. What's the building contracts? Complete building contracts. Zero. Need a pen for this. Sorry, guys, I'm just thinking as well. Okay. So building contract signed. So, so, is it 183? Automatic things 183. Contracts 183. Okay, it seems like it's rejecting back again. Oh, come on, man. This is why I'm saying this thing is tricking on me. This I still have to make an amendment here. Try. Okay, I did save. Okay. Honestly, the market is um it's just doing its own thing here. I had to call someone. Okay. I have to call someone. Uh, just no. Appreciate it. Okay. Did I have to get that opposite this on the same thing? Sorry guys, I'm just also busy talking alone, yeah. Also busy talking alone. I am just quickly doing something, yeah. Come on. Oh, okay. So guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Um, Tell me what you think. Do you think this trade will work out? Just tell me what you think. Do you think this trade will work out? And thank you for Ebenezer for leaving your comment and telling me what you think. But anyway, do you guys think this trade will work out? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful move. Come on. Come on. So this 1 minute fair value gap, it is, ooh, I was about to say this 1 minute fair value gap, it is a problem. It is definitely a problem. Look at the rejection when we get there. Oh, I have to call my boy. My boy. Need to call someone. Just gonna quickly make a call. Uh, Come on, get through this fair value gap, man. If we break below, then we might see that where we're going. If not, hey, we're not going anywhere. Rejecting again at that 1 minute fair value gap. I think the 1 minute fair value gap, it's a hurdle for us. Okay, guys, sorry. I told you guys, so I'm just trying to send emails also. Come on, just distribute. Don't just dally and not distribute. Just distribute, buddy. I know you want to. Uh, Come on, buddy. Distribute. Okay, good move. Ah, come on. Oh, and then. Yeah. Trust me when I say the distribution is terrible. We don't have that momentum, trust me. Ooh, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Just quickly. I'm a busy man, so guys, you have to pardon me. To 5. I think I'll call the trade off at 5, so I need to prepare to go to work now. I'm a busy man, so guys, you have to pardon me. Okay. I thought I was not audible. Yeah, this trade is ugly. Okay, let's go ahead. It looks like we are reversing back to break even. Oh, come on. I might end up being stopped out. Trust me. The way it's moving back to the upside, it's not looking good. Yeah, the way it's moving back The problem is the 1 minute fair value gap. I told you guys the 1 minute fair value gap is our main handle here. How long have I been on this trade? See, I just entered there. See, like 50 minutes. Oh no. Okay. So it's gonna be bullish now. I don't think it will survive now. It just dallied until now it's going for up again. This is something that I didn't want to see. Okay, I don't think it will hold. I don't think this trade will hold. So 9 minutes before the end of the live. Okay, just gonna quickly. So guys, I'm over today. I'm multitasking. Just need to get this through. Bule. Just gonna quickly text someone. Ah, I don't think it's gonna hold. Come on, I might end up being stopped out here. Okay. Looks like we're going for a stop loss. Yeah, it's gonna go to. I don't think it will hold, guys. To be honest, I don't think it will hold. It's going straight to a stop loss. Told you about that 1 minute fair value gap where it held and pushed to the upside. I knew that one. Hence, I said if we get an inversion for that, we are set to go lower. But the market had other plans. I'm almost out. Almost out. Okay, 4 minutes before the end of the live. Let's see if we're gonna be taken out. I'm just gonna wait it off while finishing up this. Let's see. Come on. Okay, it's still holding. Look, I'm holding this, just finishing up scanning my document, and when that happens, I want to see if it will take me out. So I'm hanging on with my life now. Did it again? This page go. I'm holding on with my dear life now. Okay, guys. It doesn't seem to be doesn't seem to be taking me out or going to the opposite side. And I gotta go, guys. Need to go shower and prepare to go to work. And I guess I should call it the end of the day. Um, I will be looking for a trade. As for swing trading, I'm looking for two trades, as I explained before. I am looking for USD Thrin, the day is good, man. Can't complain. The day it's good. Please don't forget to subscribe, brother. The day it's good. It looks like I might take an L here, but other than that, this is the first trade that I took today. It's going for my stop loss, but let's see where it will end. But I need to call it a day here. I'm gonna prepare to go to work now. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Ebenezer, thank you for your contribution. Lee Awa Srin, sorry for calling your name wrong if I am pronouncing it wrong. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna call it a day on the live stream, still holding this trade. We'll see it through. Look, if it closed before that, then perhaps I will. Okay, let me leave it while preparing to go to work. Let me do this. Let me leave this trade running while preparing to go to work. And maybe if by half past five, it's not out yet, South African time, then I can call it a day on it as well. Plan? I don't think it will hold. I don't think my trade will survive, but yeah. So I'm gonna hold it through. Apologies if I'm not speaking. Personally, my day is good. This is the first trade. So the first trade, look, man, the first trade, nothing much happening. I'm gonna, yeah, that's all I can say. I don't know if it's gonna be a red or a win. It look like we are rejecting, so I will want to see a rejection myself. I will want to see a rejection myself. So it's a good rejection, to be honest. Yeah, that's all my day. How's your day? How's your day yourself? How's your day, brother? And do not forget to like and subscribe. Please do not forget to like the live. How's your day yourself? So I'm just gonna quickly send an email and go take a shower. How's you, man? Are you blue? Are you in the red or blue for today? Back to break even? Yeah, so I love this move here. I hope Nasdaq will follow suit. Let's see if we're gonna distribute lower. Anyway, guys, I gotta go, man. I need to send this emails. I need to send this email so that I can go take a shower. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Beautiful. So, yes. Oh, sell 183. Which one was? Sorry, guys. I'm just quickly finishing up some work here. Told you that I was scanning some documents for a property sale that I'm doing. Oh, good move. Oh, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. Closer below. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even now. Oh, lovely. Okay. Come on, baby. Close. Let's see. That's what you want to see. Oh, lovely. I am gonna move my stop loss to break even. I've been on the oh, lovely. Okay. Gonna move my stop loss to break even. Beautiful trade. But I was on a very massive drawdown. Stop loss at break even. Beautiful move. Yeah. So it's beautiful, baby. I'm back break even, so now I can call it a beautiful day. And can I have W's in the chat? I know it might even take me out on break even. Also, I am also watching this point here. What happens when it gets close to this area here? If that closes and leave this 1 minute fair value gap, it's not gonna go back up. If it does, I'll be out on break even. Okay. That closure, so this 1 minute fair value gap, it is the fair value gap of choice. If we get the reaction there and we trace lower, it will be good. I just want to say taking out this low again. So if it comes back, reject there, come take out this low, we are set for a lower lows and to the London side. Okay. Can I have a W's in the chat, guys? It's been an annoying trade. I should be honest with you. So the first TP 1:1, I've already gotten a 1:1, but my target is a 1:2. So I gotta hold it through or take a break even. But I'm glad I'm on break even, to be honest. Okay, let me just send the email while I'm busy mumbling here because I need to go take a shower. I have to go to work. I might take a break even. I don't like how it's rejecting to back to the entry point. But look, I am break even. I have no stress now. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I gotta call it a day. I'll keep you up to date. I might post this and tell you if um, I'm out on break even or I have taken a profit on a 1:1 or 1:2. But I'll let you know. Thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate all your support and have a great day. This was the Ahora Formo Trading Show. See you tomorrow if I'll be live and love you all. Peace.